If your PC is dragging, stop blaming your hardware. Right now, Windows 11 is actively throttling your own computer's performance with useless visual effects, animations, and transparency tricks you never asked for. Every time you open an app or drag a folder, Windows runs an animation that consumes valuable processor and RAM resources. Microsoft enables this performance tax by default because it looks polished, but polished isn't the same thing as fast. Today, I am going to show you the correct method to rip these useless animations out of your operating system without making your entire screen look like a jagged mess from 2001. First, let's navigate to the hidden master control. Right-click the Windows Start button and select System, or press Windows plus X, then click System. On the right side of this screen, click the small blue link labeled Advanced System Settings. Step 2. The Performance Audit. A small System Properties box will pop up. Look under the Performance section and click the Settings button. This window right here is where your real system speed has been hiding. Windows is currently set to Let Windows Choose or Best Appearance. That means every single redundant animation is checked. Fades, shadows, sliding taskbars, all of it is running constantly in the background. Now you could just hit Adjust for Best Performance, and while your PC will be instantly faster, it will look terrible. Your text will be jagged, and you will lose all file image previews. Step 3. The Surgical Cut. We are smarter than that. Click Custom. We are going to wipe the board clean, uncheck everything, and then surgically add back exactly 2 critical items. Number 1, check Show Thumbnails instead of icons. This is the single setting that lets you see image and video previews in File Explorer. Number 2, check the smoothness of screen font's edges. This keeps your text crisp and readable, especially on an HD display. 2 settings are checked. Everything else is garbage. Click Apply, then OK. Your processor is now officially free to do real work. Finally, we have to muzzle the GPU, which is most important if you are on integrated graphics. Go back to your main Windows Settings app, navigate to Personalization, then click on Colors. Find the toggle for transparency effects and turn that completely off. Your GPU is no longer wasting cycles rendering the generic frosted glass look on your taskbar in real time. And just like that, your UI is incredibly snappy, and your processor is finally free from Microsoft's aesthetic performance tax. Drop a comment below and tell me exactly how your PC feels after this change. But listen, optimizing your visual effects means absolutely nothing if your actual hard drive is physically suffocating. If your PC is still taking forever to boot up, save files, or launch applications, your expensive SSD is currently choking on dead memory blocks, and the default Windows settings are actively making it worse. Click the video on your screen right now titled The Hidden Windows Command to Fix a Slow SSD. I'm going to give you the exact terminal command you need to run to safely flush out that digital trash, fix the bottleneck, and instantly double your drive's write speed. Click right there to restore your raw hardware performance. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you over in that video.